Hi guys, this is Tejas and today we'll be looking at the Sony earphones, which is the MDR-XB55AP, and this is the extra bass version. So people who like the bass should definitely go for this earphones. So guys, this is with the mic. So it has the microphone and a button wherein you can switch the songs. You can play, pause, and it's a useful feature when you are traveling. So looking at the specifications, so it has the mic and the frequency response is 4 hertz to 24,000 hertz, which is good, and it says that it would have a deep bass. So what we'll do is we'll quickly unbox this earphones and we'll see what's inside the box. So let's get this out and see what do we have in the box. So let me just take this out. So we have the earphones itself, and which will keep this aside. So this is the manual, which is of no use, and this is the pouch, and it's definitely a good quality pouch because I'm using the other MDR earphones from Sony, and it's the MDR 30EX. So I do have that over here, and I would say we'll definitely compare the build quality. And this is the MDR-XB. This is the extra bass version again, and it's the 30EX series. So we'll definitely compare this with this, and let me see what else do we have. It has the ear tips as well, so that's good. You can adjust according to your ears. So let's have a closer look to the earphones and the build quality. So let me just quickly take this out, and I feel that the build quality of this one, it has a metal finish over here, and the color of this is a gray in color. So if we have a closer look, let me just get this closer. So this is plastic, and this has the metal finish. I won't say that this is metal, but it's plastic, but it has a metal finish. And the plus point of here is, again, this cable is tangle free, as I have the earphones from Sony. So the other ones are also tangle free wire. So the fire is around 1.2 meters, and I think it's fair enough, it's long enough. And let's have a closer look to the microphone. So we have this button, and it works as play, pause as well. And I've heard that there is a software wherein we can download and we can configure this as well. So I'll be mentioning that in the description below. So let's have a look at the jack. So it's the gold plated jack, and it's L, so that's good. So if we are keeping that in the pocket, so it won't disturb the music. So let's compare this with my MDR XB30EX earphones. So if you see that this is a bit thick over here, and this one is a shorter, and the build quality of the newer ones is a bit thin, and the quality, I feel that, of the 30EX is good, because over here these are thin, and I would say that this is more flat, and the quality of that is good. So the plugs, the ear plugs, is definitely, the form factor is different. If you have a closer look, the form factor is definitely different, but this one seems to be a bit heavy, and these ones are the lighter ones. So guys, overall I would say that I have already used the XB series, and I know how deep is the bass, and what Sony wants to prove over here. So people who want to experience the thump of the song, you can definitely go for this earphones. And what I feel is the comfort is also a big aspect over here, because the earphone should be comfortable, and it won't it should not hurt your ears. So guys, I heard few songs on this earphones, and I would say that the bass is really good, and you can actually recognize the mid bass as well. But I would say that if you want to really take if you want to really enjoy music on this, make sure that you are between 80 to 85% of the volume, because after that the sound opens up, and there is a slight distortion. So the mouthpiece is also, the reception is good, and it was pretty audible. Um, so apart from this, guys, I would say that this is definitely a good buy if you want a premium earphones in this price range, and you can definitely go with Amazon, because we have offers on it as well. So guys, that's all from the unboxing of the Sony earphones right now. So please subscribe my channel, share this video, and you have a great day. Bye bye.